Now this section of the essay or preprint is about the details of each, briefly, as concisely as I could put it. For the first item, baryonic symmetry. In life and physics, balance is everything. Conservation of energy, momentum, and temporal curvature. It must be this way, or systems would violate causality. Dark energy. Originally conceived to explain baryonic symmetry, convex temporal curvature is the culprit to blame for dark energy because of conservation of temporal curvature. Special relativity. Mass and energy can be expressed as functions of relativistic, in quotes, intrinsic period, which is ultimately non-relativistic because time is the exclusive variant in our universe. Simplifies GR. The superposition of spatial curvature onto temporal curvature is core for the framework. This not only simplifies GR, it explains radial stellar aging patterns observed for all regular spiral and elliptical galaxies with supermassive black holes at their cores. Inflation. As calculated conservatively in a previous preprint, an initial convexity numerically was 15.842. The response of our universe was that of a simple dynamical system, a damped sinusoid with elongating period. This view is also minimal because we don't employ inflatons and simultaneously explains current accelerated expansion via the same model, more toward dynamic equilibrium. The nature of antimatter. Consistent with the temporal curvature framework, antimatter possesses convex temporal curvature externally. With elementary or non-composite particles, they contain matter or concave curvature to physically balance the external convexity. If anti-neutron stars exist, they manifest temporal acceleration at their surfaces around 4 times flat time, and this is why we assume a convexity of 1 equates with 4 times temporal acceleration. Current accelerated expansion, again consistent with TCT, the dynamic equilibrium our universe is moving toward includes periods of convexity and concavity. The current accelerated expansion is coupled with global convexity, and at some point in our future, we anticipate another decelerated expansion period that is globally concave. Frame dragging. This feature of GR appears to be geometric and quantitatively has been calculated to be inverse distant cube related. However, in actuality, because temporal curvature is the exclusive variant, can only be blamed on mass-induced enhanced temporal curvature. The geometry of the universe. This feature of our cosmos is not part of the TCT framework per se. It was simply generated from a minimalist perspective. A hypersphere is the simplest topology conceivable. However, a hypertorus allows differential curvature based on perspective and orientation. Considering above, we propose the topology of our universe to be that of a hypertorus. Dated 2023, October 1st.